We're Immobiliser Fit. It's a brand new 2024 plate Land Rover Discovery, protected with an I-96 Connect. So if a thief tries to steal this vehicle, they've got the key, they've started it. When they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. And where this differs from anything else is if it's outside or parked around the corner, your phone's going to ring, so you're going to know someone's in it straight away trying to steal it. There's been an attempt on the vehicle. As you can see, it's now ringing us. If it's the customer, obviously they don't want these phone calls every time they drive the vehicle, so they can hop in, either enter a code, hear a disarm tone and drive away, or the most simple way is just have the Bluetooth on, their phone in their pocket so it can be locked. Next time they get in the vehicle, all they got to do is just start it like normal. They hear the tone, drive away instantly. As you see, gone into gear, vehicle's still ready, you can drive it. No phone calls, because obviously you confirmed that it's you, and you can drive off. Customer can set their own code on this between 3 and 21 presses, so we'll just show you how to do that. So if we turn the Bluetooth off and start from just buttons, we'll turn the ignition on, enter our code to prove it's us. Now the system knows it's us, we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll turn the ignition off. When we turn it back on, we'll get 5 bleeps. Now we're ready to learn a new code, so we'll just say every time we press a button, we're going to get a bleep. We'll wait for a confirmation and then repeat again. Wait for our second confirmation, and then we're done. We can turn the vehicle off. So next time we get in the vehicle with our Bluetooth off or our phone's flat and we've got to use the code, we'll start it up. Before we put it in gear, we'll put our code in 1, 2, 3, 4 like we've just set. Hear that tone, we can select our gear, vehicle remains running, we can drive off. If you're taking this vehicle for a service, you can do it, put it in service mode by simply pressing and holding in the app, or you can do it with the factory button. So what you'll do is you first prove it's you, so we'll pop our code in so the system knows that it's us. Now we can press any button that's used in our code 11 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Turn the ignition off. Pause for a second, turn it back on. We get 2 bleeps in the car, and now this is a normal vehicle, so when it goes back to Range Rover, just hand them the key. The vehicle's going to start and drive as if there's no immobiliser fitted to it. It goes into gear, it doesn't stall out. The customer's phone's not going to ring, and they'll be able to move it around their workshop, road test it for as long as they need to. The system's going to be deactivated. It's going to be in service mode. When you get it home and you want to turn the system back on, if you've done it with the app, you can go back in, just press and hold. Or with the buttons, you just simply ignition on, put your code in. We get 2 bleeps, and that brings the system out of service mode and makes your vehicle secure again. Just to check, we'll give it time to set, make sure the Bluetooth's off on the phone. We'll start the car. We'll put it in gear. It cuts out, so we know the system's on. And if we watch, we'll get a phone call again because there's been an attempted theft on the vehicle. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline I-96 Connect fitted on a brand new 2024 Discovery. Thanks for watching.